If you want to provide extra support for ThunderBuddy 01 Productions, become an official ThunderBuddy superfan. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to exclusive emojis, get a cool badge next to your name, and other cool perks such as shoutouts and priority replies to your comments. Join now with the link in the top of the description.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
AW35's going. Oh, there we go. Now
Oh, sweet mother of Monokuma! Oh, God! Here we go! Oh, what? Yeah,
Greater distances from the transmitter can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, and in
The F4800 activated as a warning!
Let
me see this.
Once again, this was only
on record.
Values up to 102. Southern London County. Northwest Suffolk and Northeast Suffolk counties. Until 12 p.m. Illnesses to appear. Additional details. The highest heat index values will occur in the late afternoon. Southwest Connecticut. Once again, this was only a test. Impacts, extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Additional details, the highest heat index values will occur in the late afternoon to early. Index values will occur in the late afternoon to east central New York. An excessive heat will east central New York. Morning or evening, 60 miles for a sign. Until 4:30 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ledgerdale to near Shenanigans to McMichael, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. At around 3:25 p.m., downed trees were reported in Tobyhanna. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Montague, Hopatcong, East Stroudsburg, Blairstown, Franklin, Stanhope, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Hope, Branchville, Andover, Stormville, High Point, Henryville, Lake Mohawk, Wary Lake, Greenville, and Millbrook. People at the New Jersey State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 306 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Advisor green. And now the National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in south. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles. 5 to 10 knot gusts. Source.
No tiene libertad. Ese cuando tú...
Eastern New York until 5 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Montague to Branchville to Blairstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Impact. Drink plenty of water. Monday, mostly sunny. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
After you're done recording. Sussex, Warren, and Morris. We'll share the footage.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County, southeastern Sussex County in... The pressure was 90 inches and falling. At Sikorsky Memorial Airport in 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. These storms have a history of producing downed trees and power lines. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees.
KCC 31's going off too.
Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, and Riverdale. This includes mile markers at as at 8% in 14 up. Inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
There's sand all over it.
Rainfall is occurring with this storm, may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Shenanigans, Sherwood, and Berkshire, Massachusetts. Extra precaution.
WXM 80's going off.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for western Long Island Sound until 6:15 p.m. Information. A strong gust front and possible thunderstorms was located across northeastern New Jersey, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The gust front thunderstorms will be near Merrimack Harbor, Execution Rocks, and Hempstead Harbor around 5:50. Station is temporarily off the air.
Cool 35's off the air!
5:25 p.m. Oyster Bay, Cold Spring Harbor, and Long Neck Point around 5:30. Bay, Saddle Rock, Little Neck Bay, Manhasset Bay, and Norwalk Islands around 5:35 p.m. Smithtown Bay around 5:45 p.m. Penfield Reef around 5:50 p.m. Port Jefferson Harbor and mouth of the Housatonic River around 5:55 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the for the
Look at this balls.
The weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.com for the latest weather information. This known weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Miles per hour.
Alright, now I'm starting to get it. Just keep going.
Weather information.
Yeah, they're off the air!
This known weather radio station. Saturday. miles north. The National Weather Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Howland County, Hartford County, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Yukon County in western Massachusetts until 6:30 p.m.
What? Is that what you want to see in Houston?
Southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Yukon County in western Massachusetts until 6:30 p.m. 5:34 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located. Damage to trees in Colorado listed, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Springfield, Hartford, 60 miles per hour in interest. Chicopee, Source, Lansfield, Westfield, Holyoke, accident damage to trees in Colorado.
Do any radio stations really SPR?
WJMJ and WCCC, but I can't get them.
Holyoke,
Cleveland got involved again.
TV station. WZME. Yeah.
these storms have been producing no damage.
By the way,
On the lowest floor of the building point.
Yes. I know, I missed Litchfield.
No, Raleigh. Raleigh, no, I know.
Davidson.
They did it behind my back. I don't know why the
National Weather
San
Service
piece
in
of garbage
Arlington, Norton
reception.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Harrison County in western Massachusetts, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palmer, or 11 miles east of Chicopee, moving east at 45 miles per
I'm
hour.
gonna set this down.
Hazard 70 miles per hour.
70.
That's considerable.
Source radar indicates
Really? As soon as I get up here, that's when the signal
expect
improves.
considerable damage to trees and power lines. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Worcester, Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Belchertown, Wilmington, Northborough, Oxford, Millbury, Charlton, Palmer, Spencer, Woodley, Leicester, and Sturbridge. These storms have a history of producing damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, Canton, and Hampshire.
I'll worry about that later.
The National Weather Service in Boston, Oregon. Thunderstorm warning for northern Middle County, northeastern Holland County, western Norfolk County, eastern Massachusetts, southern Worcester County, thunderstorm warning for northern southeastern Middlesex, northeastern Lawrence County.
Do they relay immediately? This has two sub-channels. The first one's relaying as well.
uses a digital in there.
Yep.
A turn toward the northwest is expected Friday night or Saturday. On the forecast track, Frederick is expected to move along.
H.
The EH.
Yep.
Yeah, that. You know what I meant?
Are you gonna get inside?
I'm gonna.
I'll stay out here with this. You go get inside if you want.
Alright, what counties are in it though?
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Parts of town, there's a TV station that doesn't like that.
Yeah, I know. Channel 5 will also relay this.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Stafford to Kansas.
No, if I can get them. 106.9 WCCC should go off.
Moving to 25 miles per hour.
There we go.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
Now I'm going inside.